Microsoft added Remove Duplicate Favorites feature in Edge. In this video, learn how to use it. Launch Microsoft Edge browser. Make sure you're running version 81 or above. Here's how you can confirm this in About Microsoft page. To use this feature, click on the Favorites icon available on the upper right corner of the toolbar. From the menu, select Remove Duplicate Favorites. It will take you to Favorite Bar Settings page. Here on this page, you will see a Remove Duplicate Favorites dialog box telling you to review the changes. Clicking the Remove button will remove duplicate favorite without extra prompts. Next, navbar will appear on the top giving you information about how many duplicate favorites are removed. Here, you can click on Confirm to delete favorites permanently or Undo to restore them. In case you have hidden favorite button on the toolbar, then you can directly visit this address. I have already mentioned the address in the description. That's it. What are your thoughts about this new feature? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like video and subscribe the channel for more interesting videos.